As conversations around Stephanie and Hungani Ndlovu's divorce continue, social media users are now looking back at their marriage with a different perspective, saying hindsight is making certain moments clear. Many believe that while the couple appeared united publicly, there were signs suggesting the relationship was struggling behind the scenes. Some users felt Stephanie may have emotionally withdrawn long before the official separation, while others argue that Hungani remained hopeful and committed, possibly choosing to focus on the good rather than the warning signs. The discussion has sparked mixed reactions, with some defending Stephanie's right to process things privately, while others sympathize with Hungani, saying love can sometimes make people overlook what is right in front of them. Overall, the situation has left Mzansi divided, reflecting on how relationships can quietly unravel long before they officially end. Thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.